Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I have a hug in a box. That's what I call a Happy Meal. This is from It's a Stroke of Life, Melissa, and let's get it open. Melissa has a great channel. She sews like a dream. She crochets. She makes beautiful items for her dolls. Mostly, well, I shouldn't say mostly, but quite a few American Girl doll outfits. Oh wow, what do we have here? Oh, speaking of which, oh look at that, isn't that cute? Look at this card, how she does that. She uses a Cricut, she told me. I thought she had, this was her handwriting. She said, no, it was a Cricut. She shouldn't have told me that. I love that deer. Look here, it's on the front of the card too. That's really cute. Marna, Merry Christmas. So happy to have had your videos this year. Now that I am feeling better, I wanted to make you something and I hope you like it. Thank you for being a friend. Toodles, Melissa. She always says Toodles at the end of her videos. She is such a good person. I am happy to be your friend, and not because of Happy Meal, just because you're just a delight to know. Look at the little shirt she made, and then
it's really cute.
It's really cute, and Velcro's up the back. Oh, that's really cute, and she knows I love flamingos. Beautiful. How cute is that? Let's try it on a doll. First of all, I have to say, this fabric it's fantastic. It is so soft and stretchy. It's I don't know what it is, but I really like it. Melissa, how you sewed that it's beautiful. That stretchy fabric on my sewing machine wants to fight. My sewing machine and I fight about that all the time. I love this. How cute are those is that flamingo on the front of this doll's shirt? I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Again, hug in a box. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Go by and look at Melissa's channel. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe on both of our channels.